Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings.
Come test drive the 2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.